How to disable haptic feedback on WillTrade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable haptic feedback on WillTrade account. If you are using WillTrade and you want to disable the haptic feedback or the vibration you feel when you tap or interact with the app, it can be done in a few minutes. First of all, launch open the WillTrade app on your device and log into your account by entering your correct credentials. Once you're signed into the home page, go to My Account at the bottom right corner. From the My Account tab, click on the Settings button at the bottom of the screen. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Trade Settings under Chart Settings, and on the next page, you'll see the vibration feedback option. Simply switch it off. Make sure it turns to gray color so that you can turn it off. Once you turn off the vibration feedback, you'll be able to switch off the haptic feedback on your device whenever you interact with the platform. So that is how you can easily disable haptic feedback on WillTrade application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.